Good family. This is Ronnie, and this is not episode 3 of the road to 10K, but more of stocks that you need to look forward to looking at for this following week. Now, today is Sunday, December the 13th. So, like I mentioned in the last video, it's time before the market starts, we start looking at the stock futures. Okay, stock futures don't start trading till this evening, but I think it's a good time to get this information out there so you guys can be prepared properly for the upcoming week. So, vaccine news came out pretty heavily around Friday after market and throughout the weekend with the approval of the Pfizer vaccine from the FDA. So, my prediction of stock futures right now is pretty high. I think everything on Monday we're gonna have a green week, a green day, and I think we're gonna go into a green week. With that being said, it's critical that you hop on some stocks that are low, because I don't know if this is the bottom. This may be the bottom, I don't know, but just in case it is, there's some stocks you need to look at doubling your money in by the time we get to the post corona vaccine era. That means we're past coronavirus, everything's starting to stabilize, we're back to normal, back to the life that we knew in 2019. So the first stock I want to speak on is American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL. American Airlines sits at roughly $17 right now. I like this stock because before coronavirus, if you want to look at the trend charts before coronavirus, it was roughly around $28, $30 around January, February range. That means that you have a gap. Remember I spoke on gap? You have a gap of roughly a positive $13 per share in American Airlines right now. If you can get this under 17, amazing. But you can get some right now and just buy your shares down if it gets to a dip point where it gets lower. That gives you an opportunity. At 17, don't double your money, but it pays dividends. So you have the potential to double your money later on. All right, so the next stock I want you to look at is CCL, which is Carnival Cruise Lines. So Carnival Cruise Lines pays also a great dividend. Dividend yield is like 9 point something. But the reason why this is critical is because, like I spoke on the other video, start looking at these travel stocks. These travel stocks will grow when people get back out there. People will start traveling again. I can't wait to hop on a plane somewhere. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys feel the same. So what Carnival sits at is around $21.47 a share. However, before coronavirus, Carnival was sitting at roughly $50 a share. $50.44 is a high. It started to do like the decline when the news got ugly, but it still was like at $44 before the coronavirus started. So you're looking at least doubling your money right now. You used to buy Carnival right now. When everything gets back stabilized, you're looking at doubling your money in these cruise lines. Okay, I'm keeping it brief because I gotta go to brunch. But the third one is RMG. RMG is a SPAC that's pending a merge with Romeo Power. It sits roughly at $28. I want you to keep an eye on this one because just like I gave you guys the news on KCAC, and KCAC turned into QS, Quantum Spectrum. RMG is doing a similar thing. They're creating lithium batteries that are going to perform these EVs that are so popular, like your Teslas and everything else. Just look into it. It's called Romeo Power, and it's pending a merge on December 28th with RMG. Will I bet the house on this? No, but I'm interested in these EV specs right now. They are performing very well. I don't know if it's just following the trends or people really thinking these are the future, but a part of playing stocks is it's like chess. You got to anticipate your opponent's move, and your opponent are other traders. So if it's a rumor for EV stock, EV spec, and they merge, typically these things are hitting hard. When I say hitting hard, I'm talking about 200%, 300%. So I'm gonna buy a little bit of it to see what it does, but I do think it's going to increase, and increase is more money. Hey, after we get our 10%, 20%, we can put trailing stop losses on it to prevent us from losing big on these. So it is money in RMG merger, what I'm saying. So take a look at it. It's pending a merge on December 28th. That's this month, 2 weeks from now. So I'm looking at a price target of 40 for it. Right now it's at 28. I'm gonna buy in at 40. I'm gonna start putting my stop loss on it, so I can prevent myself from losing big on it. It's EV battery, so I do think it has a place in the future. But like I said, to me, it's not on the level of a KCAC or a QS, but it is interesting. So I'm going to take a look at it, but definitely get into CCL, which is Carnival Cruise Lines, and American Airlines. They both pay dividends. They're both going to be here after the coronavirus is over with. They all have placement in airports and on the in the cruise network. They're here to stay. So that's all I got for you. If you have any questions, feel free to join my chat or just comment below. Also, make sure you download Webull. So I put the link in my comment section below. Download Webull. Reason why you need Webull again is because Robinhood does not offer every single stock on their platform. You need more than one platform. You need 3 really. I have 4. So download Webull. You get 2 free stock and you'll get in the game in the money. That is important. All right, so I gotta go to brunch. So enjoy your Sunday and have a good day. Talk to you later.